Okay guys, so this is all the outfits that I got from the thrift store, and I will be trying these on today. Sorry about my bed, but it's a little messy, but all this stuff is a budget and I will be trying these on. Got this from the thrift store. I kind of just feel like this is like a little, you know, Paris type of vibe. That's what I was giving this. Paris type of vibe, especially with the green, off green, you know, type of look that I was going for. So like the vibe that I'm getting. I got these pants. I never had none of these pants before, but really love these. Now these are some like mom jeans, and you can get these like at Forever 21, but I got these at the thrift store. These are like over like baggy jeans that I like. Got this jean skirt that I got from there under $20, and this sweater turtleneck top that I like. Now this is one of my favorite tops. It's like kind of different, as you guys can see. We got the oversized jacket, and I like this. I kind of feel like I will pair this with these jeans right here. So let's just get right into it. I know you guys want to see how I look with these clothes on. This is so hot, guys. I like it. These pants stop below the ankle, and I honestly love these pants. These are like mommy pants, and I kind of just love this crop top, especially in the springtime. I kind of just feel like I will be placing this with my heels. As you guys can see, these heels are from Fashion Nova, and I kind of just feel like these diamond heels will go really good with this outfit, especially if I'm just going out with the kids, like going to get ice cream or something like that. I don't know, I'm just a little different, but I kind of just feel like this is something that I will wear. So I'm gonna show you guys how the back is and everything else. Love it. Like, as you guys can see, it does. Like, I don't know why I keep saying that. This is my favorite outfit that I would just chill in. Like, go to the park, chill, or something like that. But I kind of just feel like love heels. I need to be going somewhere or something. Don't have anywhere to go. Love to stay at home, homebody, but cute. So next one, this one, I think this one is the third one. It's kind of a chill type of outfit that I will wear. This is a nice, fluffy, comfortable turtleneck, and I absolutely like this. And this is my mother jeans. Well, what you call them, mommy jeans or something? Yeah, these are the mommy jeans that I like, and they're super duper baggy. I'm thinking about cutting them like in the back or something, or like on the sides, both on the sides. And I'll probably place these with these. Looks better with that. I did look in the mirror, and I'll probably replace these pointy toe heels with this. I don't know about putting a belt on. I do not like belts. I hate belts. But I probably do wear me a belt with this because it kind of just makes it feel type of plain. Probably wear bangles or something like that. I don't know. I'm thinking about getting me a blazer jacket with this, you know, whole wardrobe because I kind of just feel like it'll settle the look with this. I don't know. What do you guys think? Ooh, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it does stop all the way to my ankles, and that's what I like because I'm 5'3", so I like my jeans to stop like to my ankles, and that's where it's stopping. Okay, so I am wearing this button-up top. As you guys can see, it's a beige button-up top. It looks kind of different because it got the little buttons going across the side of my shoulder, and I kind of just feel like that was super duper different, and I love this. This was under $20, so I was like, let me grab that. And then I got these Army Fatigue pants. It's like skinny leg pants. It stops above my ankles, and I really like this. And I will be placing these with these pointy toe black heels. Let me put them on. I don't even know if you guys can see this, but it does have the gold across the shoe thing, the heel. Very nice. So the next one is this sweater top and this jean skirt, and I like this skirt because I just like skirts. I really love skirts, and this is just something I would wear. And I don't know which one I would wear because I tried both of them on. As you guys can see, I got the white one on. I really like these if I'm, you know, just going somewhere like on a date or something. I can still put these on with this. I mean, I can still put the diamond heels on with this because I just kind of feel like this is more of a classy type of look. This is cute too. I like it. So I got the boots from Fashion Nova, and I got this whole outfit from the thrift store, and it was under $20. Yes, saving money. So this is how it looks, and I really love this so much. It's more of a coffee type of look, especially with the beige and a white. Mix it all together, and what do you get? Coffee, cream, and coffee. Really love that. So this is something that I wear. What do you guys think? I'll add like a blazer to this. I don't know. I probably would add a blazer to this. Probably will like a belt or something. You know those little belts that have the rings around it. Cute. Love it. Let's see how the heels will go with this. Hopefully you guys can. I just feel like I would wear this with it. My favorite one. Sorry guys, it was kind of lame, but this is my favorite outfit of them all because it got the off-white green sweater with the pencil skirt. I love this green so much. I said I had to grab it, and it was under $20. Who can knock that? I did go in and get these from Fashion Nova, these white boots. These are my favorite ones. I kind of feel like I'm going to Paris, so I kind of just feel like I would wear this with, you know, I would wear these heels with, you know, the outfit. I just feel like it'll give it more of a pop type of look. As you guys can see, I will be placing this with, hold on. Yes, this is like a Paris type of outfit. Let me put the pink thing on. Let's give a little twist to this thing right here. And I am so in love with the color wheel. Sorry, I'm so in love with the color wheel right now. this is more of it. I'll probably just wear it like this. And this is super cute. What do you guys think? Super cute, super laid back. I mean, it's just classy. What do you guys think? I feel like this is like more of a model type of look, especially if you're on the side of a color wheel. It's so cute. Oh yeah. Or probably, if I would probably wear it like, tying it up, giving it a little, but I kind of just feel like I will literally wear this like this, and this would be so cute. This is my style. And I kind of just feel like I will wear this like this with this. What do you guys think? Cute. More on the color wheel side. I like this jacket because it got the little buttons on there. This is some cute little buttons that it comes with. This kind of reminds me of a flight attendant. Like they come, greet you, and take you to your seat. I need to start walking in here. In first class. Like if I don't want to wear the pink jacket, I kind of just feel like I still will wear these heels with this top. And I like